Making a Mia dress while wearing a Mia dress. This is Pattern Scout's Mia dress pattern that I'm wearing. I made this in a previous video and I have made it several times since then, and I have hacked it a few times as well. And since I've been watching a lot of sewing content, I realized that a lot of people that sew have like certain patterns that they always go back to, and they can hack, they use to recreate other things, and this pattern is that for me. I have created it several times. I've made it for my daughter. She doesn't even wear it, but I was using some leftover blanket material, the material that I put inside the jacket that I made. Video is linked below. But that green blanket, I had some leftover from that blanket, and I made my daughter this dress just real quick. I can literally sew this in like an hour. So I'm making it in white because I've mentioned before in a few other videos that I was making another white dress. So I'm going to link all my white dress videos below. Well, two. I only have two others, but they're going to be linked below. And this is my third one. And after this one, I don't have any plans on making any more white dresses, but I had to finish this one out because I had this material that I purchased a while ago at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to embellish it in certain ways. And I also hacked the sleeves, so I'm making the dress almost completely as is. The only difference is, no, I changed the front of the front skirt. It has a dip, a little swoop thing in the front in the pattern, and I just cut mine straight across, which I have done for previous dresses that I made with this pattern. Just made that straight across, and then I made the sleeve like a bishop sleeve. I used the sleeve from the Melody dress by Dressmaking Amore, which is another dress that I have made a couple of times. I used that bell sleeve look, which is, I found out, is a bishop sleeve. I used the same top part of the Mia dress because these are raglan sleeves, so I had to use the raglan pattern to connect it for the connecting part up here, but the bottom part I wanted to bell out and then taper in at the wrist. So that's what I did. I adjusted the pattern just to do that in the sleeve, but everything else is the same. And I'm gonna just sew this up real quick. I'm gonna see how quickly I can do it because I want to try to get it done all tonight, and then I'll do the embellishments later. So I'm going to get started with piecing all the pieces together and sewing them together. And if you want to see how this dress is going to come together, then I hope you keep watching. now all the pieces are attached to themselves. Now I'm going to connect the bodice to the skirt part and connect the sleeves. And then with the sleeves, because remember I made it an empire, or I made a bishop sleeve, this needs to be gathered up. And then I already cut these strips. I just used the same strips from the Melody dress because that's how those sleeves end at the cuffs, and I cut strips for those. So these will be gathered with a gathering stitch, and I'll pull everything in and match it with one of these strips, which will be going around the wrist. Fold it in half, and then the gathered material will be sandwiched in between these two layers. So I'm going to attach the sleeves to the bodice and then attach the bodice to the skirt, and then I will do the sleeves. And I don't think this material necessarily has to be serged. I don't think it's going to fray. I will decide that once it's done. I will possibly be serging this at the very end. But for now, let's do the sleeves. And now all that's left to do is attach the skirt to the top. And I'm going to save the sleeves for tomorrow. I'm going to gather them in like I said and attach them like I said. So I'm going to do that tomorrow, but I'm going to attach these two pieces right now. And then that will be the dress complete. I just wanted to have the dress complete. These sleeves are not part of this pattern, so it's technically just speeding through the completion of this dress, which takes no time at all now that I have sewed it up a number of times. So I'm going to move on to this final step, and then I'll see you tomorrow for the sleeves. Okay, well, it's been a few days now, but I'm finishing the dress because it needs to be done right now. I'm going to put these embellishments on the shoulders. I'm going to try to show you how it has the little sequin glisten on it. I've had embellishments before that are adhesive, so I can iron them on. These, I do not sense that. I'm almost sure it's not. So I'm going to just place these, pin them to the shoulders, and I'm going to hand stitch them on.